welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have L.A. Lewis. Now, L.A. Lewis is explaining a thing. He's saying that the people who, with their eyes open, the people that are awake, they're experiencing where other people are calling them crazy or mad because they're able to see things, and the other persons, the other people who have not researched, have not done their research and stuff, who don't look into things, but they just accept things as they are. They're the ones who, are calling them crazy, and they're not researching and anything to find out what's going on in the world today. And there's a lot of stuff that's going on. So I guess you guys need to start researching. Just look it up and see, And also, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and comment on the video, and catch the video. Thank you.
Hurt me now, people, is for say, me can't go sleep now. But when is fast asleep while you're awake. When I say fast asleep while you're awake, that means like when you fast asleep while you're awake. You understand? Because with what's going on now, people, when you still not wake up, you have food poison when they put the whole of the poison them in the food them go now. And although when you have computer, when you can go research on yourself, when you have Google now, when you can go research on yourself, nobody's researching nothing or want to research nothing. Everybody just want to live them life and living to die, eating themselves to death. Yes, and even when the doctors are warning and telling them to stay away from certain food, people is like when they eating themselves to death. Yes, and the government them now they sell out the people them, and they sell out them on a family. So I wonder, the world is a mad world now, people. And then we the people them who try to save the world now is we them are gonna say mad. Yes, and we them are gonna say mad. But anyway, people, I'm just there up in the night, or up in the early morning, I'm not taking notion. Me and the kitten them alone. The kitten we got the people say, the kitten. You got the people them say, you're the emperor awake. So it's like can't go back to sleep, people. It's like you want to sleep and can't sleep. Man, no, it's like a spell or something. You understand? So I was on the street at night. People, I'm telling you something. It's a lonely feelings, people. It's like you just feel lonely. People no longer believe in a God. The people no longer believe in themselves. Everybody just walk like a zombie. You understand? Alright, because the politicians them the people. I tell you now. You see, now that them advertise the death, finally advertise the death of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth, a pace it never go on now, people. Pace it never go on. You're going to see one heap of stupid killings that go on. Killing when I make no sense. You understand? Killing when I make no sense at all. You're going to see go on. Then they're going to start a whole heap of fake demonstration in the street. You understand? Then they're going to lock down the bank. Then they're going to bring in the full, they're going to want fully digitalized money. And people, when them fully digitalize money now, or when you make them fully digitalize the money, you go on slavery. Slavery, people, because these people are going to plan to be gods. You see, they're going to tell us that them are the new gods them of the planet. And then, where's all the Christians them? Where's all the people of gods, the candy people them? You know where them there? The whole of them get buy out. All of them get buy out, people. All of them has lost their soul to vanity. They have no love again for people or for even humanity. So the emperor just there, people, in the night here or in the morning here. Usually I just show them early morning about people. But you know I can't sleep and more up and look at kitten them and keep my company. You understand? So big up on yourself, people, all over there, all over the world. So people, they're going to come with now tomato flu. They're going to flu now, them tomato flu people. Whatever it is, tomato, they will put a new disease them in now. See them come out what they, with the, what they call that one there? People, what they call that one, what they come out with that, what they, them call that one there. What they call that one there? The last one of them come out with it. The last scam the flu. What they come out with. Yeah, monkeypox. Because they want to tell you people so now monkey. I used to show the emperor and the doctors them blow it up. It kind of smooth down and dead down. Now they carry one name. Yes, we have carry one name. Kitten flu, tomato flu, banana flu. They don't carry one now. Name flu. Boy, I don't know people. And then you the people them know through on the door of research. We're not going to jump in all the while and be able to kill her for themselves. So, I beg on you people. Yesterday, police and the militaries and worldwide, I just them feel sorry for. Because them is always the one who get played. So that's why I say the emperor now, they tell people to get back on the sovereignty, get back on the nativity. Them say, yo, this is a sovereign island, but you don't have a sovereign document. Oh, this is a sovereign state, but you don't have a sovereign document. All of the document mark maritime. All of the document mark corporation. And no matter how the emperor tells us people go get in the Nyan Kepong maroon sovereign global documents. Not for us still want it. So big up the few of them are confit, but the Bible it don't tell us many shall call, but few shall be chosen. Yeah, son. So big up on yourself here, people. Them are there in the night here, people. There in the early night here. And I go on all the vibes. Probably so drop back asleep still, people, but you don't know. Out to two. I walk this lonely street at night. Boy, it's not Jah be with me, no people. It's Jah be with us. You understand? Because at the end of the day, with the knowledge of me got, I could have got lock off, like, you know. But me I say, no man, I only try to see you, but I wouldn't understand. Because I say, yo, Emperor, we don't want to hear nothing from you. But me try to save one of people, but we don't want to save ourselves. So, we just have to there people and I go and see if I can wisen up in everywhere, anywhere that I can. I don't know. People, I don't know, you know. How for reach, you know. How for reach, you know. How am I going to teach, you know, if I can't reach, you know. I don't know. How am I going to teach, you know, if I can't reach, you know. So people just get up in the night and the Almighty just pay things in my head that wife I'm telling you. And every time I tell you the things that the Almighty put in my head, them always become reality, people. Yes, and so look out for chemical warfare, people. Chemical warfare is the thing what they're going to use and kill them off. Yes, and no. For sure, so this thing is a scam. All the mad people them up on the road, the insane people them up on the road, all them now get sick. All the animals them now get sick. All the birds them will fly. Since a airborne disease, all these things, all the birds them will fly now get sick. and for them body smaller than our body. That shows it's a targeted disease, people. Something what they make for target way. Yeah, man, big up the ancestors, them. Some people, big up on yourself, yeah, Emperor love you know. But sometimes I'm not loving myself. Now, some people come to me and say, boy, Emperor, you know, the Maroon documents, you know, so a true thing, but